Silybum marianum has other common names including cardus marianus, milk thistle, blessed milk thistle, Marian thistle, Mary thistle, St. Mary's thistle, Mediterranean milk thistle, variegated thistle, and Scotch thistle. This species is an annual or biennial plant of the family Asteraceae. What is the milk thistle good for? Although milk thistle is most often used for liver conditions, such as hepatitis and cirrhosis, the herb is believed some to prevent or treat high cholesterol, diabetes, heartburn, upset stomach, dyspepsia, hangover, gallbladder problems, menstrual pain, depression, and even certain types of cancer. Why you should not take milk thistle. Milk thistle can cause an allergic reaction, including a severe, potentially life-threatening allergic reaction, anaphylaxis. An allergic reaction is more common in people who are allergic to other plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed, daisies, marigolds, and chrysanthemums. Can I take milk thistle every day? Milk thistle is generally considered safe for most people at dosages up to 420 mg 3 times a day. However, it may cause allergic reactions, such as itching, headaches, and joint pain, or gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea or diarrhea.